In today's tutorial, you'll be needing strip lashes, tweezers, toothpicks, black eyelash glue, a pair of shears. Okay, let's get started. First, you're going to remove your lashes. What you have to remember, there's going to be an outside corner and an inside corner on all of your lashes. You see how this is just a little longer on this side? So this is going to be your corner. So this will actually be your right lash. On this one, of course, it's going to be your left. You have your long and you have your short. Remove the lash. And with your shears, you're going to, there's points. These can also be uncomfortable. So you're going to trim the edge close to the as possible. Doing the same on that. I watched a video recently that showed how to get rid of that glue showing on the strip lash, and what she took some eyeshadow and placed along this edge before putting those on. But I'm not sure how that would stick with what I'm trying to do here, how it would actually work. So my recommendation is just go ahead and maybe to cover that up later, use an eyeliner or something like that. So you're gonna do that on both lashes. Now when I take these off, I take these, after I get them on my eye, I take these off every night. And what I do is around the top portion of my contact solution, it has such a curve to it that these can just be laid back on there. I just discard this piece here. I don't try to keep these. But I wear probably these strip lashes maybe 5 or 6 times before just throwing them away. I think these are a couple of dollars at Dollar General. They may not even be that expensive. These may be the dollar ones, but these are actually my favorite. So let's go ahead and trim this one as well. Just take off that little corner there. You'll feel it. And then take the corner off of this. And what that does is it removes that end that's going to actually poke you throughout the day. If your eyes are small, you might go ahead and trim more of those ends off. I don't want to do that to these because I'm probably going to end up wearing these. These are not the ones that I use in the video, but this one I wanted to just share that part. So I'm going to put these back on the case for right now and put them back. And I'll use these probably next week. Take your white glue. It's going to come with an applicator, but you're not going to use that. And lay this on a flat surface. And then take one of your toothpicks and just use the very tip. Let's just pretend this is my eyelid and my natural lashes are here. And then right as close to that as possible, I'm going to take this glue and I'm going to go one direction. Now you're saying, oh, you're doing this on a video and it looks so easy. Well, I'm going to show you where I actually recorded doing this on myself. And it's going to take practice, but the trick is just going in small sections. And then what I do is I actually turn my hand over to go the other direction when I get to the other side of my eye. Just go ahead and get some more. Also too, it's easier if you're right-handed to leave all your products on the right side and leave what you're going to use with your left hand over here. And I know you're saying, oh, I can't use my left hand. Well, it's all going to be dependent on the individual. So again, you're going to have to, you'll see in the video where I actually turn my hand upside down. It's going to be really thin. So what happens is, And then you just put this on. I take this second toothpick and I just push it down. And this glue, really, it won't stick to this toothpick. Now, sometimes you may get some of this glue on your natural eyelash, but it's easy just to take the edge of that second toothpick and just wipe that off. It's gonna take some practice, but this is what you have. Now, I didn't show you was, and I'll use the second one. I'm gonna take, actually I'm not gonna do that. I'm gonna take him off and put him right there. This is still gonna be sticky. So what I do is one hand, I grab it right in the center section. Grab it in the center section, adjust your hands, and then I place it on my eye like this. And then I will push one side down and then leave this one kind of elevated. And then when I get ready and get this place where I want it to be, I take this and just push it down. And easy as that. It takes a little practice. Y'all should see all this I'm going through just to do this video. I have a light over here that I use to decorate my cookies. I have my camera hanging on my Yeti cup with my straw. Now I know why people buy the light rings. It's just probably easier. So when this snow thaws, I'm going to go buy me a light ring. That's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna go buy me a light ring so I can have this pretty difficult. I messed him up. I can fix him. Okay, here we go. Get it on your eyelashes. Don't worry about it. Again, get it as close to the eye. I probably need to get some new glue. This is kind of good. In the middle. Just touch it. I usually do the ends first. I don't know why, but just make sure you get it there. And then pull this back to the middle. Just there in your corner. Take the back side of your toothpick, press it down. Now you can go back and put eyeliner on top of this, or I've even been known to put more glue on there, but it'll sometimes get stuck. Anyway, it's easy to work with. So, both sides. One of the corners came loose. I didn't have my glue on there good enough. So all you have to do is go underneath, apply some more glue, turn your toothpick to the other side, and just touch it down. I promise you these will stay all day. Make sure this one's okay. I see a little bit of that. I don't know if I can see myself do it or not. We're done.